Welcome back to my channel, guys. I don't want to make this intro too long for you, so as you can see by the title, I will be doing a hair review with Hergivenhair on this curly unit. And if you're interested in seeing how I style this unit as well as how I color it, then just continue to watch this video. Let's get into the packaging. I thought that they did an amazing job with detailing everything. I thought the packaging was super cute, especially the brand colors, and it just felt very personalized. That's something that I always look for whenever I'm receiving hair packages to review. This is a V-part unit. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but this is a V-part unit. And guys, I do apologize. This video is going to be moving super duper fast, so if you want to know what I'm using, feel free to click down below in the description and I will have everything listed down below in detail. Now it's time to jump into some color. So I don't know if you guys just seen, I know it moved super quick, but the consistency that I originally had was not what I was going for. So I went back in with some more developer and added some more to mix it in so that it can be the consistency that I needed. And what I decided to do was to just do some highlights. I didn't have too much bleach or developer on hand, so I had to, you know, kind of improvise. My original goal, low-key, was to kind of go in and do the whole head or at least half of the head, but it didn't work out like that. If you guys don't know, I also colored my hair for the first time. I want to say it was about a month and a half ago, so that was the reason for me also going in to color this unit so that it could blend in, since I will be having leave out to blend into this unit.
You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a, you already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight.
I am throwing a couple highlights in her hair. Well, why am I saying her hair? This is on a whole mannequin head. Anyways, I'm throwing a couple of highlights onto this unit. I believe I maybe used about 6 foils in total. I didn't do anything too crazy. Again, like I said, I didn't have that much bleach or developer on hand, so I kind of had to think of something quick because I needed to get this video out. So the whole purpose, again, I just wanted everything to blend in and look as if it was my hair. I just feel like it would just look crazy with me knowing like, okay, I really don't have that much product on hand, you know, doing my leave out, and it's just my leave out blended into black. I left the foils in for about, I want to say 25 minutes. Here I'm just tilting the brush so I can, why can't I talk? I'm just tilting the brush so it'll look very blended in at the roots. I then went in with that color that you guys seen at the beginning, added it on for toner, and popped it in this dryer. I'll have it linked down below, and this is how it turned out. Let the hair dry overnight on the mannequin head, so I'm going to give you guys a 180 view. Do you guys see that color? The color is doing a little something, a lot of something actually. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the braid down. I'm not going to do too much with no explaining or anything. If you guys want to see a braid down pattern that I have, go look at some of, for actually I think I have about 1 or 2 videos. You guys can see how I do my braid down for units or sew-ins or anything like that. It's very similar.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Instagram, might jump right for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia, Linda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the floor, but I love me a threesome. He on my dinner and she my little secret. Trying to dish me, know about people. I can't respond, but just do what you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it.
After I lay my edges down, I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors and cut down that piece that's right in the middle so that it can separate, so that I can go ahead and clip it on. I believe this unit came with, I want to say 6 clips, 6 or 7, or actually, you know what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe about 4. I'm not looking at the unit right now and I can't really count while I'm trying to talk, so again, I'll have everything listed down in the description bar. But when I tell you this wig fit on my head so snug, it also had a little elastic thing at the back to where I could kind of adjust it. I absolutely love this wig. All I did was put some leave-in conditioner, Paul Mitchell Full Circle, inside of a water bottle, mix it up a little bit, and that's what you guys see me spraying on here. So I absolutely love it. And I'm also going in on my leave out. I have no other product on my leave out besides the Full Circle leave-in treatment by Paul Mitchell in this water. And then once I get done saturating my hair with this, I'm gonna go in with some Aunt Jackie's, I think it's called curling something. I'll have it linked down below, but I really feel like it just helped to define my hair so that it could blend in really good with this unit.
Let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it.
Now I am going in with my fine tooth comb to help distribute the product evenly throughout my hair. I want it to hit literally every strand, which is why I'm going in with a fine tooth comb and not a brush. As you guys can see, it really just gave it that definition with it being able to blend in with this unit. I'm now going in to do the other side, and I'm using the same method. I'm just going in with the Aunt Jackie's, the leave-in conditioner, and also my water bottle, and just making sure that everything is saturated through. I'm not putting any of that Aunt Jackie's on the actual unit, only on my leave out. So I wore this unit for a total of 7 days. This first clip is the 2nd day, the next is going to be the 5th, and the last is the 7th day, which totals a week. My honest opinion is really the same all across the board, which is simply the fact that although I do love this unit, I really just felt like the hair just seemed dry no matter how much product I put into it. Once the hair was air dried, it just looked and seemed dry to me. This specific clip is me putting product in the hair about an hour prior to, which is why it looks a little bit more moisturized. But yeah, that's my honest opinion on this hair. As you can see in the back also, it just seemed to feel a little matted. Why this hair felt like this and why did it appear dry and feel dry, I'm not sure, because I did add quite a bit of product to it, which was just a little bit of leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle. Let me not say a little bit, a lot of leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle. If I could find the right products for this hair, such as like what to put in to make the curls feel a little bit more moisturized, then I definitely would get this unit again. But that's pretty much it. That wraps up this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.